Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising. It's a timeless reading because it's current energy check-in. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Links are given below in the description box for the same. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Let's start. Cancer, on your side, what we have? We have the Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, the Page of Wands. You're open. You're open to new people, new energies, exploring the world from a fresh perspective, from a fresh understanding. You're open for friendships. You're open for connections. Maybe right now you're not open for any kind of serious deal at this present moment. See, you are in the moving on journey from something or someone that hurt you, that affected you on a very deeper level. Meanwhile, while you are moving on from something or someone, you are in this energy of creating beautiful friendships, creating beautiful connections, exploring your life to the fullest, being happy in your own energies, being open to the changes. Okay, so these are your current energies where you are ready to explore, ready to start a brand new chapter. Not in your like a relationship area as in romantic relationships. You are ready for friendships, you are ready for connections, you are ready for good things, good vibes, good energies. Maybe not for a serious relationship. These are the current energies only, because you are still in the moving on phase of your life where you are still detaching from things, people, or situations that's not matching with your energies or with your vibes anymore. Okay, let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now at this present moment. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Empress. The energy attached to you is healing themselves on a deeper level, and they are very much focused on their money, job, career, and their overall stability in their life, including their finances, including their family. And they are very much in this energy of praying to God, hoping for miracles, having growth and expansion in their interpersonal life. So whosoever you are attached to energetically, this person is very much focused on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their growth and expansion, and their overall happiness in their life right now at this present moment. Right now they are not very focused on you or on the love and relationship area factor of their life. Right now they are very much focused on themselves and creating some kind of stable base for themselves and their family or people who are like family to them. For some of you it could be possible that they are open for arranged marriage kind of a setup also, and looking forward to have that kind of energy in their life very soon with the help of their family or people who are like family to them again. Let's see for the connection what we have. Cancer, we have the Star card, the Hierophant, the Ten of Cups. This situation, if healed properly between you and them, still have a huge potential of having a happily ever after kind of a deal, a commitment, a marriage, a long-term partnership kind of a deal. This situation definitely have something really beautiful in this connection. Both of you know it, both of you can heal it, both of you can work on this, and both of you can make this work out in a very beautiful and positive way, especially if you guys were married or committed to each other and families were also involved. Even if not, if you guys had a very beautiful connection, soulmate kind of energy between you guys still have this potential in this situation to make this work out on a very beautiful level, up to the level of commitment, up to the level of marriage, up to the level of happily ever after kind of a deal. Now it's up to you if you want to deal with this person anymore or not, but this situation still have a very beautiful potential to go somewhere on a very beautiful level. Yeah, that's the deal here. But you guys have to heal it properly, honestly, and with all of your heart and soul from both the sides. Then this situation does have the potential to go somewhere really beautiful, and meaningful. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.